Hi, this is the cold start video for the 77 Corvette. Reach down and touch the manifold here, like most do. Come around. 12,000 mile car. I think she's a pretty nice old gal. I don't know if you can see well enough. She's got a nice idle. There's your mileage. 12,186. Looks like. I'll give her a few revs. Back over to the tach. Come over to the gauges here. Temp gauge will start coming up, hopefully. Oil pressure is there. It does have a little hiccup to the oil pressure gauge, but it holds. Gas gauge, you see. The voltage gauge. Clock does work. She needs a little jump start with the knob here, and then she'll start ticking. Here's your radio. AM/FM stereo, tape, rear defrost. See the light go on. A little bit of wear on the outside of the bezel. You can see a little aging. Here's the climate. I'll put that on air here in a second. I can see. Oop, wrong one. There we go.